welcome. And what we are trying to do is we'll just try releasing that little tension and stress in us, calm our nervous system, reconnect with the deep sense of safety and stability within us. All right. So you can just close your eyes. Close your eyes and start focusing on how you are breathing in and you are breathing out. So, the simple act of focusing on your normal breath. No forced breath. Just focusing on how you are breathing in and breathing out. So, here we are not trying to fix anything. We are not trying to achieve anything. Our aim is just relaxation. Now, focus on how you are breathing in through your nose and feel that calmness is being inhaled. So, you are trying to relax, so you are inhaling calmness within you. And as you exhale, you're trying to breathe out the tension within you. This is how you're visualizing. You're visualizing that as you're inhaling, you are inhaling calmness. And as you are exhaling, you're breathing out tension. One more time. Try breathing in peace. Try breathing in calmness. Relax your body. Feel that relaxation in your physical body. Relax yourself. And try feeling that air that is entering your nostrils. Feel that air which is entering your nostrils. You can feel it passing through your neck area. You can feel that air passing through your chest towards your belly. The whole of your body is covered with the air you're breathing in. And as you are exhaling, you're exhaling all that is not required. All that tension, all that bad feelings within you, you're just trying to exhale. Once again, simple breaths in and out. You're trying to breathe in calmness. Feel that air touching each and every part. Your nostrils, your neck, your chest, reaching your belly. And you're breathing out. Back through that same track. It is passing from the belly to your chest, towards your neck, your nostrils. And you're breathing out that tension within you. Just blow out through your mouth. Or you can just make that voice, ah. So you're releasing. Feel that relaxation by just exhaling what you don't want within you. How do you normally release that tension within you after a long day's work? You just sit down saying, ah, now I have to relax. Same way as you're just exhaling out and feeling that relaxation in your physical body. Now, just imagine there is a candle in front of you. Just imagine that light, that glowing flame of that candle in front of you. Now, going to take in deep, slow breaths. Take in deep, slow breaths. And you're going to exhale through your mouth now, as if you are blowing out this candle. So take in slow, deep breaths. And blow out through your mouth. You're blowing that candle. Once again, deep, slow breaths in. through your mouth. You're blowing away the candle. Just visualize that candle in front of you. It is glowing. It has that glowing flame. You're focusing on that. And as you blow it away, you can see that glow has gone away. Now relax. Bring your focus back on your normal breath. Now, let us start with something called as box breathing. Here, we will breathe in for the count of 4. We'll hold our breath for the count of 4. And then we'll breathe out for the count of 4. So, let us do it together. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold your breath. 1, 2, 3, 4. And breathe out through your mouth. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Once again, relax and you can do this once again. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold your breath. And now breathe out slowly through your mouth. One last time. Breathe in. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Hold your breath. Breathe out. And you can just relax comfortably. Focus back on your natural breath. Now, let me tell you, as you are taking in these breaths, your heart pumps blood, right? And it is passing throughout your body. Similarly, there is a flow of energy moving within us. And this is like a tunnel. You would have seen a tunnel, and this energy flow is like a tunnel which runs from the base of your spinal cord. So the end of your spinal cord, it starts from there until the top of your head. Just imagine, just visualize that track, that tunnel within you, which starts from the end of your spinal cord till the top of your head. Here and through this pathway, energy enters your body as well as leaves your body. So it is like a pathway. When this pathway is open, you will feel calmness, balance, and confidence and peace within you. Feel that pathway. Now what happens is when stress, fear, worry, emotions come your way, sometimes this flow gets blocked. So in this tunnel, supposing there is an obstacle, that energy can't flow properly. That is when you are not able to be at calm, you're not able to be peaceful. So now what we are going to work on is clearing this track within us. And this is trying to clear the obstacles in our energy centers. So today we will work on the foundation energy center, which is called the root chakra. The end of the spinal cord, the position of this energy center. This is just one of those energy centers, but the most important one. And where this is associated with safety in your life. You feel safe in your life. You feel supported in your life. You feel balanced, calm, connected to the present moment. That means your root chakra is clear. And the moment you experience worry, overthinking, restlessness, fear, it is all because of that little obstacles in this pathway. So let us first start with a little visualization. to walk you towards clearing your obstacles. So, you have to imagine that you are standing barefoot without your sandals, chappals, and all. You're standing on that earth. You can feel the earth, the soil beneath your feet. Feel that. Just use your sense organ. The more you use your sense organs, you'll feel it more. So the touch, the feeling of touch, your feet touching the ground. Just try feeling that soil, dry soil, wet soil, whatever comes to your mind. Temperature of that soil. If you are standing in the afternoon time, you can feel that heat, that hot soil. Feel the air around you. That cool or warm air which is touching your body. Feel it. Just try it. You have your eyes closed, but just imagine you're looking up and you can see the sky, that peaceful sky with a lot of clouds, white clouds and blue sky. Try visualizing that picture in your mind. Bring that picture of those clouds in front of you. Now, your feet, which is on the ground. Imagine it is like that plant. So you have roots below, beneath your feet. That is what you have to imagine. Which is holding you tight into the earth. This is just simple visualization. Whatever comes to your mind is fine. Just try visualizing that connection of feet with the soil. Feel yourself anchored. Anchored means connected. Connected to the earth. Stable. You're supported. You have this universe. You have your mother earth to support you. When you're grounded, you can feel that grounding, the connection with soil. If possible, try imagining a red light, and if possible, it should be glowing at that end of your spinal cord, the position where the center is located. Try bringing that light in front of you first. Red glowing light. Now this red glowing light is entering you through the feet, moving into your ankles, your knees, thighs, hips, and it is gathering at that end point of your spinal cord. That glowing light is coming from the soil, from your feet. It's a connection with your Mother Earth. Red light feels warm. Can you feel that warm temperature of that light in your body? It is protective, it is comforting, and it is having that healing property. So it is there, connected to you, to make you feel protected, to heal you. Now every time you're breathing in, you can feel that comfort, you can feel that glow within you. And as you are exhaling, you can feel that you're releasing fear, worry, and tension back into the earth. So now you're no longer carrying this tension within you, the fear within you, worries within you. Can we all now silently repeat, I am safe? You can feel the connection with your Mother Earth, the glowing light within you, that red light, warm light. And you are repeating these affirmations. You're talking to your inner self, to your inner genie, that I am safe. I can feel that I am safe. I am supported. I belong in this place. This is my place. Wherever I am happy. I am the best. I trust life. Whatever is coming my way is good for me. I trust my life. I am grounded. I can feel that I am grounded. With a smile on your face, feel these statements which you have repeated to yourself. That you are safe, you are supported, you are fearless. Trust life. Are grounded. Now, there is a mantra, a beach mantra, which repeated, its frequency allows your obstacles to get cleared out easily. So let us together chant this mantra. It is LAM. L-A-M is a word. And you're going to repeat this with me. LAM. As long as possible, you can repeat this and feel this frequency, this vibration, which reaches that end point of your spinal cord. This frequency is strong enough to pass through your body and to reach that energy center. Let us repeat this 3 to 4 times. LAM. 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 Feel the vibration of this mantra passing through your legs, your hips, and towards your spine. Repeat it 2 to 3 times till you are comfortable. LAM. Relax. Just feel that vibration which has been created within you. Think about those insecurities, that fearful feelings, that unstable feeling, that emotion of instability within you. And that one thing which you can do, or that one step which you can take to cross that feeling of fear, instability, not being grounded within you. Just reflect on it. And this is the right time because you have raised your frequency by doing these little activities. Try sitting in silence and feel that connection which you have created. Focus back on your breath. Now you can get into that little visualization activity again. are just going to visualize yourself as a very strong tree with deep roots below. You have that strong trunk. Your body, the middle of the whole of your body is like that strong trunk. Branches, your hands, you can just raise your hands. Your branches is like you are moving towards the sky, ready to achieve everything in your life. Storms may come, but you are strong enough to face it. And you are being grounded, you're remaining grounded, your roots remain strong, you remain steady. Let us take few moments to simply breathe and enjoy this feeling of safety and stability. So wherever you are, whatever your condition is, in your personal life, in your professional life, in your mental well-being, all aspects of your life, you believe that yes, you are steady and grounded. You are inhaling strength and you're exhaling all that you don't want. You are inhaling calmness and you're releasing stress in your life. This is that little talk which we are having with our inner self, with our subconscious mind. This is how we have conversations with our inner self. We are reminding. All these things are about awareness. What is that is blocking you in your life? That is leading to stress, fear, different negative emotions within you. Now, let us get into gratitude exercise. Tell yourself, hold yourself tight, give yourself a tight hug and tell yourself, thank you, my body, for supporting me every day. Thank yourself for taking this time to heal yourself. And now you think about those 2 to 3 things in your life. All those things which you came across today, towards which you are thankful. With a smile on your face, just think about those things in your life and say a thank you from within. Say thank you for those different things which happened in your life, to those different people, those situations, those little gestures which you received from others. Thank them. Be grateful for all that you have. Keep a smile on your face. Take in slow, deep breaths. Breathe out through your mouth. Once again, slow, deep breath. Breathe out through your mouth. One more time. Slow, deep breath. And breathe out through your mouth. So with the feeling of gratitude, thankfulness for you, towards your body, towards each and everything within you as well as outside you. Be happy. Just rub your palms. Put it on your eyes. So this is a representation that I am keeping this positive energy within me. I'm absorbing it within me. So here we'll wind up for today. Thank you for joining in. Hope this was helpful.